Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the cooling fan on Opel Zafira A. We can see the cooling fan here is located behind the radiator. First, we'll start by removing this air intake hose, and this intake hose is held by two bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we start removing the cooling fan. The cooling fan is held by two bolts, one on this side and one on the other side. There is also an electrical connector that needs to be disconnected. Next, we go underneath the car to remove this cable that's held by cable ties to the cooling fan, and also disconnect the electrical connector. Now that we've removed the bolts and the electrical connector, we can take out the cooling fan. We can then replace the cooling fan with a new one and assemble everything in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.